Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about the data quality and pre-processing. Why we need to do a pre-processing, how to achieve the data quality, how the data quality it will be get reduced. Okay. What are the reasons to drop the quality of our data? In this, before we are going, you should know what is a scale. Scale is a object which is used to measure something. Okay. This data quality purely it will be depends on the type of data scale. It will be differ on the data quality. So the data quality it may varies based on the data scale which you have used to measure. So for that we have to use the pre-processing techniques in order to ensure the quality of data. The data quality may be dropped due to these reasons: missing values, redundant data, inconsistent data, noisy data, and outliers. Okay. For these reasons, our data quality will be get reduced. The data quality, basically, this will be used to improve the knowledge extracted by the data analysis process. The data quality it is ensured by internal factor and the external factors. The internal factors are linked to measure the process and the collection of the attributes and the collected information how we have chosen for the analysis process. The external factors are the fault which may occur during the data collection process, and also it may involve some absence of values. Okay. This may lead to a involuntary addition of errors, so that it will affect the quality of data which we are going to extract. The missing value. There are several cases the missing value may occur. The first one is the attribute values only recorded sometimes after the start of data collections, and the attributes being unknown at the time of collection, or some of the distraction or misunderstanding or refusal at the time of collections, and the attributes not required for particular object, and the non-existent values, or it may be a fault in data collection device, or the method which you have used to collect the detail, okay, or cost or difficulty to assign the class labels. So these are all the some of the cases the missing value may arise. Then some of the alternative approaches to handle the missing values are just we can ignore the missing values or remove that particular objects, or we can make the estimates to the missing values, how the quality rate of the data which we are retrieved. Okay. Then the next one is the redundant data. These redundant objects are those that do not bring to a new information to the data set. The already existing data, it may be redundant, or it may be, we can call it as a irrelevant data. The objects very similar to other objects. The redundancy occurs mainly in the whole set of the attributes. This may due to small mistakes or noise in the data collections also, this may lead to a redundant data. Basically the redundant data, it is a pre-processing techniques whose goal is to identify or remove the copies of objects from the data set. The redundant data missing values are the because of the lack of data, and thus are not bring to any new information. This is the example for the redundant data. You can see this first table, the data with redundant object, and the second table shows the data without redundant object. You can see this second entry, Italian 43 age, very close distance, good company. Okay. The same entry, it is repeated in the third row also. It is being removed in this rectified table. Likewise for Chinese also. This kind of repetitions, if the particular statement is repeated more than one time, that is identified and get removed. Then the inconsistent data. The data set can also be an inconsistent value. The presence of inconsistent value in the data set, basically it will reduce the quality of the model. This will be found in the predictive attributes. Okay. Here you can see this table. The friend name is that the maximum temperature already we know that it is, and here it is mentioned as 300. Likewise, weight. Here unusual values 1100. Then height. Height is it is given as 210. Then 1072. The bolded thing, it is a inconsistent data. It is not relevant to the that particular attribute. Then the noisy data or a data, it will not meet the set of standards. This may be caused by incorrect or distorted measurements. The human errors also some of the samples. This noise reductions can be performed by adaptations of classification algorithms. The outlier is the anonymous value or the object. This will be used to define the object whose value for the predictive attributes are very different from the value which is found on the predictive attribute. Reference slide. Thank you.